Have you ever used Flickr? Have you ever used Google Photos? Have you ever used any tools to share photos with specific people or groups of people or anyone? Flickr is a great tool to do that with. I'm going to show you in a moment a great feature of Flickr groups. But just to get started here, if you go to Flickr.com, there's no E between the K and the R, but Flickr.com, you can log in and create an account for free. There's two places to find photos. One here, if you go to Explore, you can go to the Commons. This has a ton of old Library of Congress images, and you can use these because they're public domain. Another place you can go find images is just use the search feature up here in the upper right, and you can type in the type of photo you're looking for, and then you can search by license over here. And so you can use Creative Commons licenses, which may have no attribution, or maybe the artist wants you to give them attribution. But you can also go down to no known copyright restrictions, and all of these images you can use. However, I would suggest giving people credit for the work they do is best practice. So this is a great place to find photos. You can also Google cats and find photos that way. This space has typically higher quality images, not always, but oftentimes that's the case. What I'm going to show you today is a group, and you can go to this page, and I'll give you the link here underneath this video, and you can click join, and you can create an account, and you can upload images, and you can participate in this discussion. This is really an amazing feature that Flickr shares with the world. It's a space where you could do this with your family, right? So you could have family photos here and family discussions. These can be public or private. It has some good features for security, but it's also just a great place to share work. I did this about 10 years ago with a class for teachers. You can see they uploaded pictures. How might we use Flickr in the classroom? Some people gave some thoughts about that. But you can have discussions in this space as well. Pretty interesting. So I invite you to join Flickr here, join this group. Share some photos with us. You can click on any one of them and add discussion down here, right? You can get similar images. It's pretty interesting how integrated this is into the Flickr world. But I created a group. I'm inviting you to join if you'd like and share some photographs with us. You can once you have an account, you can create groups on your own. And that's an offer for this week.